Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are making soap. This will be something sort of for Valentine's Day. We are going to be using our red eco glitter and raspberry mica. Both are from Brambleberry. Then we have our hard oils and butters in here, liquid oils and butters and additives in this container. We have our lye water with titanium dioxide so we can keep the white in our soap because the fragrance I'm using does discolor a tad bit. So we really don't want the same mistake that we had. If you are interested in watching how I make my soap, make sure you like this video. Comment down below what you like to see me doing and share. Like this video, comment, and subscribe, and share. Okay, 4 things. So please do that for me. And we just finna get the going. So here is the lye. Lye goes into our water or liquid because right now I'm using aloe vera juice. So I'm going to pour this right into my aloe vera juice. Some people pour, stir. It all depends on what works for you, like I always say. Whatever works for you, do it, please. Okay. And now we're going to just keep stirring until everything dissolves. It's very hot. So with this, we are going to pour... We're going to do the heat transfer method, whereas we pour our hot lye water solution right into our hard oils and butters. And that way, it will melt it down without us having to do a double boiler or putting it in the microwave for 20 to 30 intervals. So I really enjoy doing the heat transfer method. But with the heat transfer method, you have to move fast. Okay, not too fast, but you can't like procrastinate, let it sit and all this and that, because then you will end up having to do the heat transfer method. I'm sorry, it has some oils on there, but yeah. So we just gonna stir this up, let everything. And happy new year. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all my soap subbies that's coming back. Okay, I really do appreciate you guys so much. I swear I do. Y'all, we hit 1K subscribers at 12 o'clock on New Year's. I was like, unbelievable. Okay. So while that's melting and stuff, we're gonna just go ahead and start mixing up our liquid oils and butters. So I get my hand blender. You can get this from Amazon. Ensure that all our additives and stuff is all mixed in. Y'all, my thing is stained up with titanium dioxide. Feel free to get your girl another one. Send your girl the CashApp at StylesbyLailani. Okay, StylesbyLailani. Will appreciate it. Period. Okay. So, now we are going to mix up our additives and fragrance oil. I'm going to make just a little small, in my small mold. If we have enough for piping, I am going to pipe the top. But, yeah. Let's get to going. It looks like everything has all dissolved and broke up. So, at this point, we are going to pour our hot light water solution right in with our hard oils and butters. Taking a video, y'all. Excuse me. Keep y'all rolling though. Okay, I appreciate that, y'all. I was just taking a little video, a little ASMR video. So now, y'all, what we're going to do is just keep mixing this until it all dissolves. It's chunky. Oh, it's chunky. So next, it will be nice and smooth. But we have to keep stirring, y'all. We gonna have to keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Y'all see how it's getting more liquefied. We're just gonna keep stirring. And after we get done stirring, I am gonna separate my batch so that I have 3 containers for my 3 colors. If you would like to see me coloring my soap and pouring it into my molds, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. I do break my videos up into 2 parts or maybe 3 or sometimes even 4 because soap processing is a long process, especially the cold process method. And I just like to break it up. So y'all don't be sitting there the whole 30-40 minutes as I'm making soap. If y'all want me to just do the whole 40-minute video, I will. Just comment down below and let me know. We want the long form, girl. We don't want you breaking it up. If you like me breaking it up, comment down below. Let me know. Yeah, we like it breaking up. We don't want to sit there and watch the whole thing. It's too long. Girl, your girl won't be offended, okay? But I need to know what my people like. Because also, I don't really use my music, even though I do have the Epic Sound subscription. I just really like to talk through it, or even just hearing the noise making, the soap making noises. So, yeah. It's almost broken up. I try to push some to the side to encourage it to break up for your girl. Okay. So that's what I'm doing over here. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all tune in to the second part of this here soap making video. See ya.